Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crochet braid video, but instead of installing a new style today, girl, we're going to be talking about some other styles that I've tried in the past, and I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to make your crochet braid styles last longer. We're going to be talking all about low maintenance crochet braid styles today. Okay, but before we jump into today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, girl, and if you are new, welcome to the channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna be talking all about low maintenance crochet braid styles. So I have done quite a few crochet braid styles on this channel, you guys, and some of them are not as low maintenance. Okay, they're not all made equally, baby. Okay, the one I have in now, if you guys are wondering about my hair, this is the Authentic Ripple Deep. I just posted a video on this last week. I will link it in the cards for you guys and in the description box down below in case y'all want to go ahead and check that one out. Don't even comment down below and ask me if this one is low maintenance, because it's not on the list. Okay, it's not on the list. It's a bomb style, but I would not consider this to be a low maintenance style. I mean, you can still wear it. You can still wear it, of course, but I do not consider it to be low maintenance. So before we jump into the specific hairs that I've tried that I would consider low maintenance, I want to just kind of tell you guys how to pick like a low maintenance crochet braid style. So the first thing that you want to do is probably pick something shorter. The shorter, the better. Okay, and I feel like that's just with any hair, any type of hair. If you do a bob, girl, it's gonna be much less work than if you were to do, 30 inches. So length is, something you should take into consideration when you're looking for a low maintenance style. Also, texture is going to be a huge factor, especially for crochet braids, because these long silky styles, these are the ones that require you to twist it up or braid it up at night. It's going to require you to either use like a water conditioner mix, or if you're into the downy fabric softener, y'all know that's a staple on this channel, okay, ever since I did that video. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it in the cards and in the description box down below, so y'all can check that out, all about how to use fabric softener on your crochet braids to make it last longer. That's all I use these days, okay? I don't use anything else, okay? But these long styles is going to require either the downy water mixture, conditioner, and water, whatever kind of thing you're going to use to help you detangle it is going to require a little bit more work. So just keep that in mind when you're doing like these long silky styles. That's why I say if you pick something a little shorter and pick something with maybe like a more natural feeling texture, a more kinky curly texture, or even if you do like some type of tight spiral curl or something like that, that is going to be that type of hair that you can just kind of throw up in a bun, put your scarf on, and go to sleep, and that's a wrap. It's really not going to require you to do much else outside of that. Also, if you want to do crochet, but you don't want to do like the curly look, you guys know that they have locks, twist, box braids, like all types of things. You can do the passion twist, the goddess locks. I have tons of videos. I just posted a video, I believe like last week or 2 weeks ago, on these super cute passion twists. They're really long. They come like all the way down to your waist, so you can do something like that. I also have a video on like crochet locks. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna put my crochet braid playlist in the description box down below, so you guys can go through and kind of look at all those different videos. But I've done locks, I've done twist. I've never done braids, so I might want to do like a crochet box braid type of video or something for you guys, because I've never done one with braids. But that's another option as well of something that will be very low maintenance. So far we've kind of discussed the texture of the hair, which you'd want to go for something a little more natural, a little more kinky. Think about the length as well, so something shorter would be better. And then also think about if you want to do maybe like a twist or a braid or like a lock style over something that's kind of curly. So those are the things that you want to think about. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the specific styles that I have tried that I would consider to be low maintenance. So let's just start off with my favorite style of all time, baby. Free tress Joyful Curl. Now I know in the free trust video, I think I ranked Miracle Curl as #1 and Joyful as like #2 or 3, I think. But honestly, looking back, I think Joyful Curl is my favorite like crochet braid hair. I don't want to say of all time, but it's definitely top 5 of all time. And I think it actually is my favorite free trust hair when I look back and think about that. But anyways, Joyful Curl is definitely a low maintenance style. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen for y'all here or here, whatever we're gonna do, so y'all can see what it looks like. But it is long. So I know we talked about length and how like shorter will be better, but the texture of Joyful Curl is very natural, kinky. It is soft. I don't wanna say that it's not soft because it is, but it's just that the way the curl pattern is kind of like that tight crinkle wave, and like the texture of it, the feel of it, that one you can really get away with just putting up in a bun and putting your scarf on, and that's it. That's it. Really easy. I definitely did, I'm pretty sure, twist that one at night, just because like when I have crochet braid styles, girl, it's just like if it's gonna be something long, I'm probably gonna go ahead and twist it, but I don't have to go through with the conditioner or water mixture or the downy or the mousse or whatever it is that you're gonna use. I don't have to do any of that to that hair. It doesn't require any products. So hair that doesn't require any products, those are gonna be your kinkier, more natural feeling texture crochet braid styles, which is why I say that those are much more low maintenance. So like if you wear that hair and you go on vacation, you don't need to bring anything with you. If I go on vacation with this hair, well, all I'm gonna bring is my downy fabric softener. But you might wanna bring like a water conditioner mix. If you're gonna be getting your hair fully wet, you might wanna bring some conditioner so that you can kind of like co-wash the hair almost after you've gotten it completely wet and stuff. If I did that with Joyful Curl, girl, I really wouldn't need to do anything at all. So definitely keep that one in mind. Another one that is super similar to that is Pearl Curl. Honestly, those almost look identical. They really almost look the same, okay? They're both long, natural texture, kind of crinkly wave type of curl, or not even curl, girl. It's crinkly like wave texture pattern kind of look. They really look almost the same. So I would recommend that one as well. And then I already mentioned to you guys my twist, like the passion twist and things like that I recently posted a video on like not long ago. You guys be sure to check that one out. But that one would be another great low maintenance style. I also want to mention the J Wand curl. Now, the J Wand curl, not the black one that I did that's kind of like big wand curls, not that one. That was like the 12-inch, but the shorter one that was the 10-inch, more kind of spiral curl, the red one where I used the hair paint wax in the front and all that. Like I said, I'm put a picture over here so y'all can see it, but that one, no maintenance, bro. No maintenance, nothing to do. Every single night I put my hair in a bun. I don't be going a lot of places, so honestly some days I would keep my hair in a bun for like 3 days or so and then just take it down on like day 4 because I happen to be going somewhere, and literally just take it out, fluff, and that's it. So when I tell you like really like no maintenance on that hair, I truly mean that. So that one is like a spiral curl. So if you're looking for something in the beauty supply store, I can't think of anything off the top of my head that has that same curl pattern, but you guys can literally just look and see what it looks like and then keep that in mind when you go to the beauty supply store to like pick up your hair when you're ordering it online or whatever, if you don't want to get the J Wand curl. But that spiral red one, girl, nothing, no product, none, okay? And the last two that I want to mention are also by Free Trust, which is going to be Beach Curl and Miracle Curl. Now, those two I haven't worn in a really long time. I mean, it's been like probably at least like 2 years, girl, since I wore those styles, but I'm pretty sure I remember them being low maintenance styles and that I just kind of like put them up at night like with a scarf and then bonnet, whatever, and then that was pretty much it. So very easy. So anything that you don't need to twist up at night and anything that doesn't require product, that is how you're gonna get a low maintenance style. If you want something like this, you want something that resembles this is not low maintenance. You will have to do work. Now, I'm not saying it's high maintenance, like you have to do so much work. You definitely don't, but I'm just saying you are gonna need products. You are gonna need to go through and kind of detangle every few days. You are gonna need to twist or braid it up at night. If you just put your hair in a bun, or even if you just leave it down, put your scarf on, put the bonnet on so like no hair is exposed, I promise you when you take that off the next day, the hair is gonna be matted. It's gonna be matted up. You're gonna have to go through and try to detangle it. So I'm just letting you know, okay, if you want these long, silkier styles, that there is a little bit of work involved. Not a lot of work, but you gotta do a little something, okay? A little something, something. So yes, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. I always get back to you guys, but also be sure to check out my Crochet Braid playlist, especially my week of crochet. I believe that was like last month or the month before. I did a whole week of Crochet Braid videos where I talked about the best and worst free tress crochet braid hairs, my personal favorites, the ones that I hated. I did a Crochet Braid essentials video, everything that you would need for like an install, maintenance, all that type of stuff. I have maintenance videos up on how to take care of long styles like this. You treat them all the same, girl. So even though I don't have a maintenance video up for this specific one, you could, I think I have a maintenance video up for Bobbi Boss Go-Go Curl. That maintenance routine, it would be the exact same thing that you would use for this. Well, I told y'all now I pretty much use the Downy fabric softener, but regardless, you can still use the products in that video to kind of detangle the hair and, you know, just keep it looking good. So you guys definitely be sure to check out that playlist. I did frequently asked questions and everything, so check it out, okay? I think that's gonna be it, girl. I think it's gonna be it for today's video. I really just wanted to come and give you guys some potential low maintenance styles and kind of give you some tips on how to be able to pick out a low maintenance style, because I know that not everyone has time to be detangling hair, something like that, especially if you're like on vacation or something. You may not want to really bring products with you or have to be worried about that. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out this style because, boo, even though it's not low maintenance, it's bomb, okay? It's bomb. I love it. I love it. Love it. Okay. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.